Hello everyone, my name is Paras and today's video about HCF. So before we start how to do HCF, let's see what is the full form of the HCF. HCF means highest common factor. Name itself telling you factors. So just let's first make the factor pairs of the 21 and 27. Here I suggest if you are going to finding the highest common factor by the making the list of factor, then make sure you are not missing any factor, and to not missing any factor we are writing factors as a factor pair. So 1 times 21, okay, 2 is not a factor of 21, so let's move on for the 3. Yes, 3 times 7 is a 21. 4 is not a factor of the 21. 5 is not a factor of 21. 6 is not a factor of 21, and 7 already we got it. So we done for the 21's factor list. Okay, now let's make the all factor pairs of the 27, and as I told you, let's write in a factor pairs order. So 21 times 27 times 1 equal 27. Okay, let's see. 2 is not a factor of 27, so let's move on for the 3. 3 times 9 is a 27. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8 are not factor of 27, and 9 is here. So we done. So here we find the all factor of the factor pairs of the 21 and 27. So let's write in order, so that would be convenient for us to compare them. So 1, 3, 7 and 21, and underneath I write the 1, 3, 9 and 27. Okay guys, here common factor are 1 is a common factor and 3 is a common factor. But what is the condition? We need a factor, common factor, but highest as well. So highest common factor is a 3 for the both. So highest common factor of 21 and 27 is 3. Clear? So this is the way you can find the highest common factor, the thing. Okay, but let's say if you have been asked find the HCF of, let's take the bigger number, 72 and 108. Of course 71 and 108, if we are going to make the factor pairs, you can do it, but it's little quite not easy. So better I show you the other way. If it is number given a bigger, then how can you do it? So other way to find out HCF is writing the product of prime factor. And to find the product of prime factor, we are going to first make the tree diagram. So here to make the tree diagram, I will find the 2 factor of 72, which is a 2 times 36. Okay. Okay, now 2 is a prime number, so no need to move any further, but 36 can factorize. Again 2 times 18 is a 36. So 2 again prime factor, so I circle it and I will move for the 18. So 2 times 9 is a 18, and of course 9 is a 3 times 3, and both are prime factors, so I just circle them. Okay. Okay, now same thing other side, I will make the factor pairs of this 108. So 2 times 54, 2 is a prime factor, so I just circle it and I will factorize the 54, which is a 2 times 27, and 2 is a prime factor, so I just circle it. Okay, 27 is a 3 times 9 is a 27, so 3 is a prime factor, so I circle it. And here 9 is a prime 9's prime factor of the 9 are 3 times 3. So these are the all prime factors. Okay, now let's move on for the, we are making now this tree diagram. I will write the factors as a product of prime factor. So 1, 2, 3. So 2 times 2 times 2, 2 and 2 3s, so 3 times 3. Okay, let's take the 108's prime factors. So 2 times 2, 2 2's and 3 3's. So 3 times 3 times 3. Okay, now look over here very well. We are taking the number which are common factor from the both. Okay, so 2 is a one pair, another 2 also common factor. Okay, 72 has a one more 2, but 108 has a no any more 2. So just we can stop over there. Okay, 3 common factor pair, another one more pair common, but this 3 is not a, because 72 has only 3's. So we take the 2 3's from the 108, and just common number what we got it, I will multiply them. So 2 times 2 times this 3 times this 3. So 2 times, now we are multiplying, and that will give us the highest common factor. So 2 times 2 is a 4, 4 times 2 is a 12, 12 times 2 is a 36. So 36 is a common factor for the 72 and 108. So this is another way to find out the highest common factor, and if it is number are big values, then this method is easier. If numbers are small values number, then it is okay, you can make the factor pairs and finding the highest common factor. So thank you for watching.